Hi guys, I am Rosh, and welcome to Signata Design. In this video I will discuss the latest update on Twinmotion 2022.2 which has been released through the Twinmotion YouTube channel. And we will discuss what are the latest updates that have been released in it. Okay, let's go straight to the video. The first is SKETCHFAB library integration. Here, as I discussed in the previous video about the latest update for Twinmotion 2022.2 Preview 2, you can download the SKETCHFAB assets that are in Twinmotion as your asset library. And here it is explained that there are 660,000 assets in it and it is all free. This will help us in making 3D more detailed. The next one is, import lights from design software. Here it is explained that lights in Datasmith scene are now imported as Twinmotion lights. Here you can see, there are lighting here, and here, and we can directly enter the lights into Twinmotion via the Datasmith exporter plugin. Next is about export files. Here are some interesting updates about export files. Starting from super high resolution tiled rendering, with image and video output reaching 64K. And there is also a higher resolution panorama output, with more detail and better fidelity. And also more complex presentation in Twinmotion Cloud, which can deploy bigger files than was previously possible. The next interesting feature update is the HDRI backdrop. Here we can see there are 3 types of background that we can choose. Dynamic Sky, Sky Light HDRI, and Backdrop HDRI. With this update, we can more freely choose the background that we will use for rendering later. And don't forget, it's HDRI. And the last update is a physics-based asset placement. Here we can see, this feature can give us more realistic results for our rendering, especially for those of us who use Twinmotion for product rendering. With these new features, Twinmotion has now become the most flexible real-time rendering software, in my opinion. You can render visualizations from architecture to product rendering. Okay. I hope my video about the feature update review on Twinmotion 2022.2 can give you additional information. If you have other opinions, you can comment in the comments column below. See you in the next video. Ciao!